Hello, Frame Breeze here with a new video about OBS recording settings that will show you how to record your screen for YouTube or personal use. First off, you will click on the bottom left on the plus button. After you will click the button, a pop-up window will open up. You can enter a name for the scene you will create. For example, display capture. After you created the scene, you will need a source that will get captured. Click on the plus button at sources. Now you have a variety of options to choose from. For this video I will use the option display capture. After clicking on it, another pop-up window opens and you can name it as you like. I will name it display capture. After you named it, you can choose a display if you should have more than one monitor like I do. If you only have one monitor, choose display 1. After that, press the OK button. Now you created a scene with a source. After that, just hit the recording button and you are ready. I hope this video did help you, and please leave a like, comment and consider subscribing for more content.